How to uninstall MS Office 2016 completely on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to install MS Office 2016 completely on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your control panel. Search for control panel. After opening your control panel, now you just need simply go with the option of programs and features. Once you open up your programs and features, now if you're using anything of your Microsoft on your taskbar, then first you just need simply remove that or exit the application because it might face some error because you might face some error while deleting it. So make sure that it is removed or you have exit the application. After that, here you need to just scroll down and you need to find the Microsoft Office 16. After finding the Office, so you just need simply right click on it and then go with uninstall. And it will again ask you if you really want to uninstall it. Then you just need simply go and uninstall. Yes, click on yes or continue. And you need to uninstall from here. Once you uninstall from here, then it might take a few seconds or a few minutes. It might take 4 to 5 minutes. After uninstalling from there, then you can open up your file manager. After opening a file manager, you can go with your local disk C and you can go with your program files or program files 86, whichever you're comfortable with, where you have your folder of Microsoft Office. If you don't find it right here, then you just need to simply go back to your local disk C and go with your program file. And here you may have the folder. So here you will have Microsoft Office folder. So you need to go with 15 or 16, whichever you're using. Once you open up your Microsoft Office, you need to go with the Office 16 folder. Under Office 16, you will have all of these other folders. So you just need to simply go and delete all of these. You need to permanently delete all of these folders, or you can also just delete the Microsoft Office whole folder permanently from here. Now, after deleting from the both sides, you just need to simply go with your Windows and then you need to restart. And after restarting, you will uninstall your MS Office 2016 completely on your Windows. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.